Good morning dear students of class 9th. Students, you must have seen so many Hindi movies and English movies in which most important role is played by mainly two people. The first one is hero and the second one is what? Villain. You know? But tell me, whom do you like most, हीरो और विलन? आपने बताना है कि हीरो और विलन में सबसे ज़्यादा आप किसको पसंद करते हैं. Obviously, most of the people like hero. Hero is liked by everyone. Why? Because it is the hero who protects the victim from the villain. क्योंकि हर मूवी में हीरो ही किसको बचाता है? सफरर लोगों को, जो विक्टिम है, जिसे विलन सताता है, उसे कौन प्रोटेक्शन देते हैं? तो हीरो. दैट इज व्हाई यू लाइक्ड हीरो वेरी मच. वी नो दैट protector is greater than a killer. So today we are going to study a new chapter, and the name of this new chapter is, that is in front of you. What is the name of the chapter? The Swan and the Princess, in which we will see how a protector is greater than a killer. The summary or the gist of this play, this story is, as there was a fight between the prince Siddhartha and Devdutt over a swan. Devdutt shot a swan, but Siddhartha saved his life, and both were quarreling for the swan. Swan means what? Hans. And even the king was unable to decide, unable to solve this problem, because both of them have their own reasons for the ownership on it. Moreover, the king knew that a Kshatriya can not give up his hunt, and also he cannot leave someone who sought protection. क्योंकि एक क्षत्रिय कभी भी अपने शिकार को नहीं छोड़ता है, और दूसरा, अगर उसके प्रोटेक्शन में कोई आया हुआ है अपनी प्राण की सुरक्षा के लिए, तो उसे भी वो नहीं छोड़ सकता है. But finally, the swan decided the case. When it was asked to go to Prince Siddhartha, the swan flew to the arms of Siddhartha, who saved his life. In this way, this play, this story, this beautiful play proved that a protector is greater than a killer. So this was all about the small summary of this short story, The Swan and the Princess. In next class, I will discuss entire exercise of this chapter. Thank you very much.